Diagonal scales are used when 3 units are to be represented or 2 units with fraction of second unit is to be represented. The given statement says 750 km is represented as 150 mm, using which we calculate RF. Now we calculate drawing size using RF value and actual size as 600 km. The obtained drawing size is 120 mm. Draw a line for 120 mm and divide the line into 6 parts, so each part represents 100 km. The width of the scale can be of any length, which makes the scale readable. In our case, I have taken 50 mm. Now I name 0 to 500 km, leaving one segment which can be further divided into 10 parts, which will represent 10 km each. Mark in both sides of the scale for every 10th position. Now draw a diagonal line starting from 0 to 10 km of other side of the scale. Similarly, join 10 with 20, 20 with 30, 30 with 40 and so on. Now divide the width of the scale into 10 equal parts and name it from 0 to 10 km. I can represent hundreds here, tens here, and you may ask me, where do you find ones? The distance between the vertical line and the diagonal line represents a kilometer. Here you get 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 6 kilometer, 7 kilometer, 8 kilometer, 9 kilometer, and finally reach 10th scale 10 kilometer. Now I mark 555 kilometer in our diagonal scale. I take 500 from 100th scale, 50 from 10th scale, and travel through the diagonal line to reach 5 km. So total 555 km. Similarly, I mark 208 km.